This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: wait until the engine is completely cool before beginning this procedure. Detach the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Drain the cooling system. Move a large container under the radiator drain to catch the coolant. Attach a length of hose to the drain fitting to direct the coolant into the container, then open the drain fitting. Note: the thermostat and thermostat housing on 4-cylinder models are replaced as an assembly. Loosen the hose clamp. Then detach the radiator hose from the fitting. Disconnect the heater hose from the thermostat housing. Remove the thermostat housing bolts. Then detach the housing, which includes the thermostat, from the engine. Remove the hose clamp and hose from the old thermostat housing assembly. Then install the hose and hose clamp back onto the new one. Clean the sealing surfaces. Also inspect the hoses, replacing them as necessary. Install the thermostat housing using a new gasket. Tighten the thermostat housing bolts to 89 inch-pounds. Reconnect the radiator hose and heater hose, securing them with their hose clamps. Refill the cooling system. Close and tighten the radiator drain. Place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position. With the bleed screw loose, slowly add new coolant, a 50-50 mixture of water and antifreeze, until the coolant flows from the bleed screw. Then tighten the bleed screw and continue to fill the expansion tank to the max fill mark. Install the expansion tank cap and run the engine at 2500 RPM for 10 minutes. Caution: if at any time the engine begins to overheat or the coolant level falls below the minimum fill line mark on the expansion tank, turn off the engine, allow it to cool completely, then add coolant to the expansion tank to the max fill line. Turn the engine off and let it cool. Add more coolant mixture to bring the level to the max fill mark on the expansion tank, and repeat if necessary. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature, then check for leaks and proper thermostat operation.